First of all, who can tell me what are the main objectives of our lesson? Who can tell me what did you learn in this video?
Miss, the median and the
Very good,
bisector.
Ali. Very good. So we learned about or how to construct the special lines in a triangle that are, as said Ali, the median, the bisector, the height, and the perpendicular bisector. Okay, so I'm going to start by the first one. So in order to draw, I will ask you some questions, okay? I'm going to ask, for example, if I want to construct a height, what do I use?
I use a set square.
We use a set square. Very good. We use a set square to draw the height. If I want to draw the median, what do I use? You should expect such questions in the quiz, okay?
A long ruler.
Very good, Huda. So we use the long ruler in order to draw the median. If I want to draw the bisector, what do I use?
The bisector.
A protractor.
Very good. Very good. It's a protractor. And if I need to draw the perpendicular bisector, what do I use?
Set square.
Set square. Excellent. Very good. Now, how many heights I can draw in one triangle?
Three.
Very good. Three heights. What's the point? Do they meet at the same point?
Yes.
What do we call this point? The point of intersection of three heights. Very good. Orthocenter.
The centro.
The height is the orthocenter. The point of intersection of three medians. What do we call the point?
Centroid.
Very good. The centroid. Excellent, Huda. What's the point of intersection of the three bisectors? In center. Excellent. What's the point of intersection of the three perpendicular bisectors?
The in center.
The point of intersection of the three perpendicular bisectors.
So ما حفظتهم.
You have to. What's the point of intersection of the three perpendicular bisectors?
Circumcenter.
Very good, Razan. Circumcenter. Hi, Razan. Yes, excellent. So the three heights, they meet at the orthocenter. The three medians, they meet at the centroid. The three bisectors, they meet at the incenter. And the three perpendicular bisectors, they meet at the circumcenter. Excellent. Let us continue. So we learned how do we construct the three heights, as you can see. And we learned how to draw the three medians using the ruler. And we learned how do we draw the bisector using the protractor. Excellent. And the perpendicular bisector using the ruler and square. Hi, miss. Okay. So that was everything about this lesson. Who can tell me what was the main objective in the previous lecture? What did we learn?
How to draw a triangle.
Very good. How to draw a triangle. And Ali, what are the key points?
Miss, how to measure a triangle?
How to draw a triangle.
To identify a triangle and its elements.
Very good, Huda. Excellent. So the first case to construct a triangle, what was the first case?
Draw the bisector.
No. If you want to construct,
measure
a triangle,
sides and one angle.
Two sides and one angle. Very good. Two sides, one angle, or two angle, one side, or three sides. Do you still remember?
Yes.
So to draw the three sides, if you want to construct a triangle knowing the three sides, what do you use?
a compass and a long ruler.
Very good, Huda. A compass and a long ruler. If I want to construct a triangle knowing one side and two angles.
A long ruler and a protractor.
Very good. Excellent. What did we learn also in the previous video?
Find missing angles.
Excellent, Razan. So how do we find missing angle in a triangle? Excellent. So let us open now. Let us open the homework to solve some exercises. How did you find the homework?
Very easy.
Easy.
Very easy.
I didn't.
So if you can see at the top of the worksheet, I already put for you the objectives. So now you are able to identify a triangle and its elements. How to identify particular triangles. What are the particular triangles? Who can tell me?
Height, medium.
Particular triangles.
This
Yes, Razan.
isosceles,
Excellent.
quadrilateral,
Isosceles, equilateral, and
right triangle.
right triangle. What's special about a right triangle?
Uh,
Yalla Ali, you can do it. What's special about a right triangle?
it has 90 degrees.
Very good. It has one right angle. What's special about an isosceles triangle?
The main vertex.
Two equal
The main
sides.
vertex. Excellent,
Two equal
Razan.
sides.
Two equal sides. Excellent, Huda. Excellent, Ali. And two equal angles. Very good. So there are three things special in an isosceles triangle. The main vertex, the two equal sides, and the two equal angles. Now, what's special in an isosceles triangle?
Two equal sides.
Equilateral.
Equilateral, three equal sides.
All the sides are equal.
Very good. Three equal sides. All the sides are equal. And three equal angles. What does each angle measures?
60.
Excellent. Excellent. Hi, Ali. Ya Hfoufi.
I miss.
Hi. So yes, till now we learned how to identify a triangle and its elements, to identify particular triangles, to construct the triangle, calculate the missing angle in the triangle, and this video we added the construction of height, median, bisector, and the perpendicular bisector, right? So in the first one, it's very easy to draw the three heights. What do we use?
A set square.
A set square.
Set
Excellent,
square.
Huda. The height is the what if I want to define the height, what can I say?
It is it's a segment from the vertex.
Very good, Huda. It's a segment drawn from the vertex perpendicular to the opposite
To the
side. Excellent. Okay, so the height is a line drawn from the vertex perpendicular to the opposite side. Do you agree?
Yes.
Very good. Now, to draw the three bisectors, what do I use?
Protractor.
A protractor. Very good. So we use a protractor and to draw the three bisectors. If the three bisectors, they didn't meet at a point, that means you draw something wrong, okay? Pay attention. How can you make sure that your drawing is correct? The three lines should pass through the same point. Do you agree?
Okay, miss.
Okay.
Yes.
Now the bisector is also a line drawn from the vertex to the opposite side, and it cuts the angle into two equal
Sides.
two equal angles, two equal parts. So if you have an angle of 60,
Two equal angles.
the bisector will make it 30 and 30, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now to draw the three medians, it's also a line drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes.
So, and what do we use in the medians?
A ruler.
A ruler.
A
Very
long
good.
ruler.
The perpendicular bisector, is it necessarily to pass through the vertex?
No.
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 Now let us look at question number 2. You have to tell me what are the special lines drawn in the triangle. What do you think about the first one?
Height.
Excellent.
height,
What do you think about the second one?
median,
Very good. What do you think about the third one?
Angular bisector.
angular bisector.
Excellent. How did you find constructing the triangle and drawing the medians?
Easy.
Very easy. If you look at the first part, construct triangle MON such that MO5, MN6, and ON8. How do you construct this triangle? How do you construct this triangle? Who can tell me? What are the steps?
O and first line down.
So first we draw ON using a ruler, which is 8. Then what do we use?
A compass.
Excellent, Huda. Excellent. We use a compass. We open the compass 5 centimeters. We put it on O, and we draw an arc. Then we draw another arc. The point of intersection is going to be M, and then we construct the triangle. Right?
Yes.
So the midpoints of the sides,
Yes.
the midpoints of the sides, we are going to find the midpoint of 5, the midpoint of 6, and midpoint of 8. Right?
The half.
Yes.
Okay. In part B, construct triangle ABC such that BC6, ABC 60, and ACB 70. How do you construct this triangle? Who can tell me the steps? I need to hear new voices. Some of you are not talking at all. They are just listening.
بس أنا عندي ضجة كتير عشان هيك
We
I need to hear new voices. Who can tell me? Laris? Yes, you can do it. Yes, Laris.
بس I can't hear you well.
You can't hear me?
لا عم بغبش الصوت.
Maybe because of the internet in your side, because I can hear you well.
Miss can I do it?
Yes, Fatuma.
تصويرها كثير مكبشة عندي.
بس فينا أعملها؟
Yes, Ali. How can I draw this triangle?
Miss, we draw a line ON 8 centimeter with the ruler.
Yes.
Then,
You are talking about part A, right?
yes.
I'm talking now about part B. How can I construct triangle ABC if I have BC6, ABC 60, and ACB 70?
Oh, okay, Miss. Miss, we draw line BC 6 centimeters.
Very good.
Miss, and we get the protractor.
Very good.
Miss, we put the protractor on B and draw 60 degree.
Excellent, Ali.
Miss, and then we
Put it on C and we draw
70
Excellent.
degrees.
Very good, Ali. And we know how to draw the bisector of angle ACB. Who can tell me if we draw the bisector of ACB, what's the half of 70?
35.
Excellent. And so on. I think it's very clear, right?
Yes.
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 Okay, that's so good. And also question number 4, you can see that you need to draw a triangle. So they are very easy, right?
Yes.
Great.
Yes.
Do you think you have any question about this?
No.
The questions in the quiz, they are going to be definitions. Okay, so I might ask you about the definition of a height. I might ask you about the definition of a bisector. What do I use in order to draw a median, to calculate the missing angle in a triangle, and so on.
Miss, I didn't understand the perpendicular bisector.
You have to use the set square. Lama, if you re-watch the video, okay, I put a video, if you can see it. Look, just wait. You have to open the lecture again. Look. This is the perpendicular bisector, Lamar. And this is, if you watch this video, uploaded. Okay, you can see that I explained for you how do we draw the perpendicular bisector. Can you see it, Lamar?
Yes.
So we use a set square. We first find the midpoint of AB using a long ruler. We measure AB, we find the midpoint, and then using the set square, we draw the perpendicular bisector. That it was a segment, if we have the perpendicular bisector of a segment AB. The same thing you are going to do if it was a triangle. So if you can see, if I have here a triangle, PQR, so, and I need to draw the perpendicular bisector, we first find the midpoint of QR, and then draw what?
Half it.
I can't hear you.
Miss, we half it.
Yes, exactly. We find the half of this side, and then using the set square, we draw this perpendicular line, and this is the perpendicular bisector. So this is the perpendicular bisector, and it's not necessarily passing through the vertex, okay? So this is the second perpendicular bisector. And now the third perpendicular bisector, the same thing. We measure PR, we find the midpoint of PR, and we draw the perpendicular bisector. And those are the three perpendicular bisectors. What's the point of intersection of it? What do we call it? What do we call the point of intersection of the three perpendicular bisectors?
In center.
The end center is the for the bisectors. I need for the perpendicular bisectors.
C.
Circumcenter, okay?
Okay, Miss.
مس
Yes.
شو الفرق بين هيدي التراينجل اللي هسه اجت واللي قبلها؟
The same thing. The same thing.
Okay.
Welcome, Lamar. Welcome. I wish you understood it. So is it clear for everyone, guys? This lesson is very important for the next year. So I always advise you if you revise it, okay?
Okay, Miss.
I told you it was an easy lesson.
Yes.
That was everything for this year, okay? So we are done from
Okay.
all the lessons required.
بس أسهل درس يعني
Yes, it's very easy.